Hello everyone. This video features an original knit from the Cheviot series. A few months ago, I showed this stitch with the right and wrong rows in this video. Today's video is a response to Gardenia's question in the comments. She asks if there is a similar pattern in the round. The scheme of this knitting pattern consists of 2 rows and 3 main loops. The 2 rows are on the right side. On the first row, we have 3 basic stitches. Knit the first and make a yarn over loop from bottom to top. Pull up a loop back to front, 1 row below the second loop, and slip it as if knitting. Make a yarn over loop from top to bottom, and knit the third stitch. On the second row, we have 6 basic stitches. Knit the first 2 stitches together through the front. Knit the second 2 stitches together through the front. Knit the third 2 stitches together through the back. I showed you the options for knitting this interesting and unusual elastic knit in the round. I hope it was useful. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate your presence. If you found the video helpful, please tap the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so that you never miss a video. I hope you find inspiration for your next knitting project. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.